Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Sagita Dinda Ramadhani, and I'm a student of Jakarta State University from major digital marketing. So today I want to make a video presentation about my thesis proposal. The title is Analysis of the Influence of Purchase Decisions on Electric Motor Products in the Jakarta area. List of contents. Chapter 1, Introduction. There was background, problem formulation, research objective, and research benefits. In the Chapter 2, Literature Review. There was Technology Acceptance Model or TAM theory, and perceived ease of use, perceived usefulness, attitude toward using, behavioral intention to use, actual use, purchase decision, and previous research. And the last one is chapter 3. There was research methodology. Location and time of research, research design, population and sample, data collection techniques, data analysis techniques, validity and reliability, cluster analysis, conjoint analysis, and research instrument. Next, chapter 1, introduction. Currently, our country, nicknamed Heaven on Earth and the lungs of the world, has been polluted by air pollution, especially the capital city of Jakarta. The density and bustling population in the capital city has increased air pollution caused by visual emissions and also industry which can cause high level of air pollution from Aceh Transportation Agency 2023. Coupled with the increase in the price of fuel oil, which is uncertain, has become a burden for most people. Electric motors with zero emission and quiet sound are an attractive choice. Next, background of the problem. The demand for electric motorcycle in Indonesia continues to show a positive trend, with a large population and geographical conditions that support the use of two-wheeled vehicles. Indonesia has the opportunity to become one of the largest electronic motorcycle markets in the world. Although there are still some challenges that need to be overcome, the potential of the electric motorcycle market in Indonesia is very promising. With the right strategy, Indonesia can become a leader in the transition to cleaner and more sustainable transportation. Next is formulation of the problem. The first one, what are the demographic and behavioral characteristics of electric motorcycle consumer in Jakarta? The second one is, what are the internal and external factors that play a role in the decision to purchase an electric motorcycle in Jakarta? The third one, what is the consumer perception of the ease of use and usefulness of electric motorcycles in Jakarta? And the fourth is, which attributes most influence consumer purchasing decision? Research purpose. First, identifying the demographic and behavioral characteristics of electric motorcycle consumers in Jakarta. Second, identifying the factors that play a role in the decision to purchase an electric motorcycle in Jakarta. Third, analyzing consumer perception of the ease of use and usefulness of electric motorcycles in Jakarta. And the last one, determining which attributes most influence consumer purchasing decision. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Technology Acceptance Model or TAM. Technology Acceptance Model or TAM was first introduced by Fred David in 1986 to explain how users accept and use information technology. This model is built on two main variables, perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use. Perceived ease of use and perceived usefulness. According to David, 1989, perceived of use has a direct impact on attitude and behavioral intention to use technology. Users who perceive technology as easy to use will have a more positive attitude and be more likely to adopt it. According to Davis, 1989 start that the perception of usefulness is one of the main predictors in technology adoption. Users who feel that the technology will be useful and increase their productivity tend to have a more positive attitude towards the technology. Next, previous research. Research from Hawkins, DSRG and Coney, KA, 2004. Title is Consumer Behavior, Building Marketing Strategy. The main result is internal and external factors that influence consumer behavior, such as motivation, perception, attitudes, culture, and social groups. Research from Shah, 2020. Title is Consumer Buying Behavior of Motorcycle in Janakpurdam. The main results is price and quality are the factors that most influence consumer purchasing decision. And research from Johannes Suhari, 2008. The title is Online Purchase Decision and the Factors that Influence Them. The main results is analysis of the influence of online purchasing decision. And from Rahman, 2020, the title is Analysis of Factors Influencing Electric Vehicle Purchasing Decisions. The main result is tax incentive and subsidies from the government can increase the actual use of electric vehicle. And the last one is from Susanto and Pramono, 2020. The title is The Influence of Perceived Usefulness and on Intention to Use Internet Banking Service. The main result is perceived usefulness has a significant influence on the intention to use digital banking service. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. The location of this study is in the Jakarta area, which was chosen because it is the center of economy and high urbanization in Indonesia, making it relevant context for studying the adoption of environmentally friendly technologies such as electric motorcycles. The research design used in this study is quantitative research with a survey approach. The population in this study is all potential consumer and user of electric motorcycle in the Jakarta area. Given the large population, the sampling technique used is purposive sampling. Data collection technique. The data collection technique used in this study was a questionnaire survey. The data analysis technique used in this study are cluster and conjoint analysis. Validity and reliability. Validity measures the extent to which a research instrument is able to measure the concept that it is supposed to measure. Validity is testing in this study will be conducted using confirmatory factor analysis to ensure that each item in the questionnaire has a high correlation with the factor being measured. Reliability measures the consistency of measurement result if the research instrument is used repeatedly. Reliability testing in this study will be conducted using the Cronbach alpha coefficient. And next, cluster analysis and conjoint analysis. Understanding of cluster analysis. Cluster analysis used this study is to identify customer group based on age, income, and purchasing behavior. In addition, analysis of purchasing behavior, such as brand preference, purchase frequency, and purchase channels, provides valuable insight to consumer habits. And understanding conjoint analysis. In purchasing decision research, conjoint analysis is often used to understand the factors that influence consumer preference and decisions. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.